Rouge, waiting for a train that's feeling near state as my dream. Driving from the diesel down just before it rained and rode us all the way to New Orleans. I pulled my harpoon in my dirty red bandana. I was playing soft while Bobby sang the blues. Freedom's just another word for another left to lose. Nothing has been free. Freedom's just as good enough when he sang the blues. Feeling good was good enough for me. Good enough for me, my Bobby again. From Kentucky coal mine to the California sun, every comes the secrets of my soul. Through all kinds of weather, through everything that you've done, you Bobby, baby, help me from the whole world. One day on this leaves I let him slip away. Kept looking for that home, now I'll be fine, dear. Holding Bobby's body back to mine. Freedom's just another word for another right to lose. Nothing, I never been free now. That feeling good was easy enough when he sang the blues. That feeling good was good enough for me. Good enough for me, my Bobby. Ask any of the chickies in my pen, they'll tell you I'm the biggest mother hen. I love them all and all of them love me, because the system works, the system called reciprocity. Always sees me through. When you're good to mama, mama's good to you. There's a lot of favors I'm prepared to do. You do one for mama, she'll do one for you. They say that life is tit for tat, and that's the way I live. So I deserve a lot of tat for what I've got to give. Don't you know that this hand washes that one too? you're good to mama. Mama's good to you.
Hit the red button.
Fancy dress, but when they're held for pleasure, then the balls and I like dress. The balls always bouncing to the back in which you watch. It's my belief that my big balls should be held every night. Oh, I've got big balls. Oh, I've got big balls. I've got big balls. Dirty big balls.